Hi guys, welcome back to the SS Beauty YouTube channel. Today we're trying to continue our streak of playing fun team challenges, but this time thoda sa different hai.
We'll be getting a mystery mithai and that's going to be our inspo for the makeup challenge.
Wait, I thought these were for us to eat.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
But how are we going to decide which mithai?
Wait.
Sounds fun, as far as I don't have to dress up like some mango matcha barfi.
Okay, I'm calling dibs on this.
This one.
No,
Wait. This one.
First is the worst, second is the best. And a second from both sides. Yeah.
I love this mithai.
Okay, I'm really manifesting my favorite mithai. It is!
OMG, you have the perfect outfit for this.
Are we gonna get to eat these?
Yeah, but first, time for an outfit change.
Oh my god! So cute.
But guys, tell me, is my outfit giving Kaju Katli? Because that's what I'm going for.
It is, even the shape of it.
Yeah?
Exactly.
Perfect.
Perfect. I don't know what I'm more excited for, to do my makeup or eat the mithai.
But you know guys, like while I was getting into my outfit, I have fully decoded the makeup look that I'm going for. Like Kaju Katli, I'm guessing frosty makeup, highlighter heavy. I'm really excited to do that. What about you guys?
I think I'm going to go for like a soft, romantic, natural flush look. Yeah.
That definitely goes with a soft glow era. I'm gonna go with a bronzed sunset glowy look.
Yum, it sounds so good.
You guys, I'm so excited.
No, right?
By the way, guys, have I told you that it's a challenge you have to complete in 10 minutes?
What?
10 minutes? 8 minutes to have the mithai, 2 minutes to do makeup.
Guys, the time starts now.
Wait, what? Wait.
I've already prepped my skin. I'm gonna go in with the color corrector.
I think like a dewy base prepped with a MAC strobe cream. I think it's
perfect.
right?
Yeah, that's smart. So since I'm doing a soft look, I'll just do like a light layer of foundation. You guys, do you all think you all can do this in 10 minutes?
See, when the 10 minutes are up, I'll just leave my makeup as is. That's
Really?
my plan.
I'm gonna do a quick eyeshadow look where it does not require too many products.
I'm gonna go in with my eye makeup first.
You know what? I think I should do that too.
You know?
Because we do not have much time.
I feel like with the mithai theme of the makeup, eyes can really shine out. Like that's where we can.
Yeah.
You know?
That's where you can add the pop of color.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this palette. Don't you think it's perfect?
So pretty. Can I borrow some of the colors?
Yeah, I think this.
Not borrow. Can I?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I think this will
So
go really
pretty.
well. You know?
You wanna share our palette?
I want to share the mithai.
I think I'll start with a pink, like a light pink base, and then I'll put like some glitter on it.
This is a great baking powder from K Beauty. It's the shade Banana that I use. And you get a variety of shades that you can match.
Can you send me the link, please?
It's available on SS Beauty.
By the way, guys, all of these products that we're using are available on SS Beauty. Now I'm going to use my Geology Floating on Air Powder Foundation.
I'm going to go in with the Geology's Love Pool Blush.
I'm using the YSL powder one. Doesn't it match me? So cute.
Important scene hai. Or makeup laga. Or makeup. Look at this sparkly glitter eyeshadow.
Wow, I love it.
Wait, you know what? That's perfect.
I know.
That looks so good. You guys, I got the new Maybelline Bubble Mascara. I'm telling you, it's so good. I'm gonna try and show you all.
Guys, the time is running out.
No,
Wait. Almost done.
For my lip, I'm going with my favorite Geology Latte Line lip liner. It's such a perfect shade.
Guys, this is my lip combo. I'm using the Love Child lip liner, and this is a lip plumper by Maybelline.
I'm done. I
I'm
just
almost
need
done.
to finish
Almost
my
done.
lip
Almost
look.
done. this is gonna make it glossy, plumpy, and exactly what I want. I think I'm done, but something is missing. Highlighter. Yes. I'm using the Bobbi Brown highlighter and it has all the pink shades. It's perfect for my look.
I use this hack where I use a lip balm instead of a lip gloss to get that extra hydration, especially when I use like matte lipsticks.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so time for the ultimate look reveal.
And the team has voted. The winner is Motichur.
Will I get my laddu now?
Give it to her, guys. Give it to her. She deserves it, honestly.
I want my trophy. I finally got my laddus. I hope you enjoyed this challenge as much as we did. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.
Bye.